Hello, thank you for joining me for this new and exciting unboxing and review of a new 3x3 cube. Let's get started. So I got this from the cubicle.us, and the puzzle I got was, I'll show you on the tag, it's the ProShop Rs3M 2021 Maglev. To make it simple, it's the Rs3M 2021. That part, Rs3M 2021 3x3. This is the new one that just came out. I also have the 2020 version, and yeah, so this is an unboxing right now. I'm first opening it now. So it comes with a little stand if you want to put your cube on there and check it out. It comes with, I guess, little utensils here. Oop. 1 second. Let's see here. So it comes with a little screwdriver. I think this is the magnet tensioner. Comes with those two things. Let's see. One second, please. Comes with the cubicle bag. A little card from the cubicle. And here's the puzzle. Yeah, and it's got the cubicle insignia on their logo because this is the ProShop version. I decided to spend a little extra money and get that. It's where they add a few extra lubes inside, lubrication inside, 3 different ones, and I believe they tension it too. So this, I'm thinking it's going to be great right out of the box here. Like, I think it's going to be really good. So I'm really looking forward to this. I wasn't planning on buying it, but I just decided, like, why not? I have the 2020 version, and it turned out to be really great. So I decided to try out the 2021. Yeah, it's pretty light. It's not heavy. It's fairly light. Color shades are really nice. It's got like a little frosted plastic. Yeah, it's really nice little frosted plastic like the 2020. Let's do first turns. Super smooth. I mean, there's no catching. Yeah, it's really good. It's almost got like a blocky feeling, but in a good way. Let's see the corner cutting. It's definitely 45 degrees. It's insane. Look at that. Let's try going a little further. No, it's just at 45, but 45 is just fantastic. Do reverse. Reverse is amazing. Yeah, this, oh my God, everything about this so far is just fantastic. Yeah, the middle slice is like perfect. It's pretty smooth, and it's like the magnets go right into place, so it's really nice. Yeah, it's absolutely perfect. Wow. This is freaking amazing. Yeah, I'm really pleased with this. I know I'm going to have a lot of great solves with this. Yeah, it's buttery smooth. There's no catching. This is absolutely amazing. I'm very happy about this. I love the color shades. Very nice and bright. Like really bright. So that's really nice. I mean, it's like a really nice, good looking shade. Yeah, top layer moves great. Perfect. double layer. Magnets are really, really good on this. Oh my God. So yeah, I just want to do a quick review on this, do a little unboxing, show a little bit about this one. This is the Moyu Rs3M 2021. They have different ones. They have the basic version. It's a little cheaper. This is the Pro Shop version. Cubicle did an excellent job at this. With the lube, the tensioning, the magnets, it's perfect. So I'm super happy. I'm going to do a lot of solves on it. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you for taking the time. And it's Friday here in Chicago. And of course, I got my McDonald's coffee. I'm loving it. Get a little sip here. So if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. I appreciate it. And have a great day. And I'll have the information in the description below. And have a great weekend too. Happy Friday.